Hey guys, what's up? Good morning and good evening to everyone. Hope everyone is okay, doing well. Guys, today in this video, inshallah, I would like to share with you and show you how you enter and exit the roundabout with the correct way. I know I do video before on Muscat, but I want to do again this video also. I hope it's useful for you. The steps will be easy, and there's some rules you have to follow up before you're entering the roundabout and exiting the roundabout. What step you have to do it, I will tell you inshallah later in our lesson. So I would like to say for those people or comments in my channels, and they ask me some questions about drivings, I would like to say to them, I'm sorry, deeply sorry, because I didn't have really time. Inshallah, when I have time, I get time for you, I can reply to you for all your questions, inshallah. And for those people also asking me, where are you, Ahmed Qantab 007? Actually, right now I am in Salalah. I will be back to Muscat, inshallah, soon. Inshallah. For those people, they are send me comments to my channel, some question they ask me, but I cannot reply to them. The people when they're coming to Salalah, of course they are busy, but I promise to you I will reply to all you guys. Don't worry, inshallah, when you have time. Okay, let's start about lesson how we enter and exit the roundabout. Thank you for watching, guys. Alright guys, here we go. Guys, always when you are entering the roundabout, okay, there are rules that the driver must know. Okay, why? Because this is for your safety, guys. Alright, and if you are entering the roundabout by mistake, example, okay, what will happen? It will happen serious mistake, that happen accident. Of course, no one want that accident will happen in the world, So if the driver understand each other, okay, and they follow up the rules, nothing will happen. Okay guys, before we enter the roundabout, let me say about the rules. Okay guys, before we are entering the roundabout, let me say about some rules, how we enter and exit the roundabout. When you are enter the roundabout, the priority is always who is coming from the left. You have to wait. If there's a car coming from the left, if there is no car, you continue to drive. Okay, now I'm going to do U-turn. I will use signal first. Check from mirror, left mirror, center mirror, blind spot, and no one. I will go to my other line, left line. And here also I have to reduce speed. If I am speed like 60, 50, I have to reduce my speed until 20, okay, and I will check out from the left. If there's any vehicle coming from left, I have to stop, of course. If there's no one, I will continue to drive, and I will keep left line. The steering I have to use only last quarter. When it's always hard, more turning, I need more turning, I can turn more like that, but not much. I can see this view is clear, visible to me. Okay, when I already near to the exit to side, I will use signal first, and I keep going. Okay, I need to change my line. Sometimes when you are on the test, I will do a U-turn. The examiner, he will not tell you to change your line to the right. No, you have to do this by yourself. So you need to change your line. Don't stay in this line, left line, no. Check from the right mirror and the center mirror, blind spot, and check no one. You change your line. Alright? And keep going. And also there's no, it is no difference between the west and east. Doesn't matter from you are coming, but always the priority for those people coming from the left. If there's a car, you have to stop. There is no car, continue, slow down and keep going. Okay, we'll do it again here. I will make you turn, signal first, check from the left mirror, center mirror, blind spot, no one, keep going. The roundabout is near to me, so before 100 meter, 150, I will reduce speed from 40, if I'm driving 40 or 60, and then 20. Then I will check out from the left. If there is any car coming from left, I have to stop. No one, I will keep moving. This is small roundabout, so you will need more turn. Half at least. It depends of the roundabout, because you have to know, you have to understand the roundabout. This is half turn, see? And then I will use my signal to the right, and then keep going. It is easy. Most important, you have to know the priority for those people coming from where? From the left. Whatever. You are coming from west and east, it's no different. It is no different. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and see you inshallah another video. I hope everyone be safe on the road. Drive safe inshallah. God bless you all. Thank you. Yes, and one more thing. Also, I would like to talk about people doing wrong while they're driving in highway, actually, or they are in the signals. They have bad habit. Actually, they have bad habit. Some people they are doing. In this case, I have to stop so I can show you what they do. Okay. Some people they have bad habit actually. When they are on highway, you know how they are driving. They are driving one hand like that, and sometimes left hand. This is wrong. What you are doing, guys, this is wrong. One hand is wrong. I know some people they say this is not problem. We didn't have any problem, about driving one hand, especially in highway. Okay, sometimes doing one right hand like that, and they hit another side. Okay, some people they are what they do, they feed the steering wheel. This is wrong, my friend. You have see, we are always in driving school, we are trying hard to teach the students first, number one, how they are controlling, how they are holding the steering wheel first. Second, how they are controlling the car. This is our job, our work, teach people how to do that. So you are driving in highway, you need to hold the steering with the two hands actually, because you don't know what will happen in case if there is something in front of you, hard turning or maybe something, you need to controlling your steering. One hand cannot control, one hand, left hand, you cannot control. Maybe you can make it 1, 2, 3 times, but not all the time. This is not safety. So you have to hold. The accident now, it's happened on highway, you know why? From what? This is from the human era, from the human era, the accident right now, there's happening in the road. So don't drive with the one hand, drive with the two hands. 9 to 3, always we teach the people to hold the steering 9 to 3. Because when you are driving in highway, you have more, relaxing and more to understand the steering wheel. Okay, so guys, another group habit is a bad habit actually. People in the traffic signal, actually, I see many people, especially the ladies, I'm sorry, they are playing music, very loud music. Why you are playing loud music? This is not good. You cannot, if you are playing loud music, that music always make you more erection, okay, and you cannot focus on the road. Okay, I see many people, especially this, I'm sorry, when we are stuck in the signal, traffic signals, okay, waiting for the green signal. Of course, it will be red signal, so we have to wait. I saw one lady actually, she's dancing in the car, like her party inside the car. I don't know what kind of music or what song she's playing in her car, This is wrong. okay, because you don't know what's the problem you will get later, okay. And then she is still dancing and we were waiting for the signal. When the signal's on green, we will, of course they want to go, but this lady, she's dancing, moving her head like this. I know we love the music, everyone is loving music, you know, but don't make loud music, because they will give you more erection about your mind, you know. You are not going to focus more about the road, okay. If something happen, what will happen? It may be accident. So this is bad habit actually. You can listen to the slow music, okay, like piano or classic music, you know. Oh, Holy Quran, you can listen to the Holy Quran, okay. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you inshallah another video. Thank you.